Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today is all about clean up Palosa, and we are going to be sharing with you our cleaning and organization journey. I'm going to be taking you to my craft room, and this is the first thing you see when you walk in through my craft room. There goes Diva, my little baby girl. She's got two beds in one right there, one on top of the other. So to my left, this little shelves here helps me organize all my acrylic and my bottle spray paints. Here I got candles and a lot of other stuff, ribbons, whatnot. To my right, I got a pegboard along with some shelves that I created. And these shelves here, I went to Home Depot and I put them together. I told them to cut them to size and I put them together along with these ribbons rack. I also created this, and this was with a crib that I found in the curbside. This middle section here is what I keep for my seasonal crafting. So everything that you see here is what I use for my daily crafting, this middle section here. And the reason that I have it in the middle is because I'm able to see my items from the front or the back. And of course, again, this is my pegboard and more shelves to this side right here. And this here is what you see. This is my station where I craft. This is what you see when I'm crafting. And to this corner, I got a hot mess. I'm going to be organizing all of that. And this table here, I also have other items, and this is all the vinyl for my Cricut. And of course, I have another 3 shelf here. I keep my tools right there. And this is the other side. This is what you see. And more junk. And this is where I display my crafts once they are done. And as you can tell, I have a hot mess. And of course, you know that I'm moving, so I have boxes after boxes that I need to pull out of this craft room, which I have been doing little by little. And these boxes, they go outside. They are going to be, I'm trying to fill them up. And then you got more shelves there. And we are going to be organizing this, of course, half of the craft room, because I would need 2 videos. And I keep this cover because Diva loves to use her claws in it. And that TV, I was never able to put it up, only because I knew that I was moving, so I didn't want to create more holes in the wall. And this station here is where I sit. I watch you ladies craft. I watch your videos as I am editing. So let's go ahead and start decluttering. So on this corner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep everything that's Easter because it's coming up, and Valentine's. Everything else I'm going to pack up and I'm going to put away. A friend of mine gifted a whole bunch of stuff in a bag, and this was some of the stuff that I was gifted, and I was so happy when I got these ribbons. And this thing, I don't even know what it is, but I'll figure it out as I go. These boxes here, I'm just going to take everything that's from Christmas and I'm going to be putting it away because of course we're not going to be using none of that anymore. And I also have a couple of things for Halloween. We're not going to be using that as well. This big giant scrapbook, what I do is that I just usually keep all my stickers and my rhinestone stickers and whatnot in here, and they're all in one place, and all I have to do is just go through the pages. And guys, guess what? I went to the front door and this is what I found. A bag full of goodies from Temu. Okay guys, so I did as much as I could. Here it is, all kind of put together. I know where everything is in every bin, and this is the seasonal items that I will be using in the coming videos, and everything else stays as is. I kind of like fix that up there where it says love and XOX. I straightened out just a bit, and I put out a whole bunch of boxes because, as you guys know, once again I'm moving, so I stacked up like 6 different boxes this time, and here it is. And I made that ribbon racket right here. It's a small one that's gonna stay right by the station, and this will also be the seasonal one. And yeah, this is it. It looks less cluttered. I gotta find a place for these stencils. And that is all, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell button, so like that the next time that I upload a new video, you will be one of the first ones to be notified. And I will see you in the next one. Adios.